How to download EA Sports FC Football Mobile on your tablet. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Downloading the EA Sports FC Mobile on your Android tablet is quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, make sure that your tablet is connected to a stable internet and launch open Google Play Store. In the search bar, type in EA Sports FC and then you'll see this game from Electronic Arts. Just open up this page and tap on the install button to begin downloading the app on your device. Make sure that the tablet is connected to a stable internet and it has enough storage space. Now wait until the game downloads. It'll take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once the game installs, you can tap the play button and start playing the game on your tablet. Just make sure that you install the game from Google Play Store and complete the initial setup, and you'll be ready to enjoy authentic football action with licensed clubs, players, and competitions. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.